We out here with the boys.
Hey, first time going on a train ever. Don't judge me.
NYC, here we come.
Huh?
Back on my mind, I always seem to regret shit. I ain't feeling pain, I'm putting up my defenses. Hard to make friends when people are two-sided. Hard to give love when everybody is fighting. Hard to be resolved when I feel like I'm dying. Hard to be me when I'm mentally tired. I can see many choices, won't make them. I can see many paths, but won't take them.
Hi, Kevin.
Just how long do I have to be patient? The more that I learn, the more I'm done waiting. I hold myself back in fear of my judgment. Better to fail than drown in self-hatred. I have been trying, but I cannot take this. Locked in a cage, but I ain't escaping. I've been taking on the shit that I ain't faced yet.
You gotta use the chopsticks though. You have to.
That's too damn bad!
Yeah, Jamaican boy using Asian utensils. Chocolate! I ain't twisted it! He ain't cheating. Motherfucker cheating, bro. Cheater ass motherfucker.
Sorry, but I'm in my own damn abyss. Feeling like the walls are starting to close in. I thought it would help if I just explained it. It's hard to do that when I don't know what it is. See the different signs of moving past you. Just cause you can't feel don't mean it ain't true. I wish I could be a different person. I wish I could shed away this hurting. See the different signs of moving past you. Just cause you can't feel don't mean it ain't true. I wish I could be a different person. I wish I could shed away this hurting. I wish I could shed away this hurting. I wish I could be a different person.
It up for Ellie, yeah. Yeah, depends on what you get. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Boys, say bye to the viewers.
Bye bye, motherfucker. Love y'all still.
Peace out, niggas. Peace out, chaotic gang. We out of here. Huh?